Boom.
Canon, delighting you always. Canon, delighting you always.
The EOS M50 Mark I is definitely one, if not the most favorite value for money mirrorless camera that was introduced by Canon a few years ago. This year, we are very much proud and lucky to have its successor, the EOS M50 Mark II, and we will unbox it here in Henry's Camera, Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. Later, we will also see how this compact, stylish, and powerful device will perform in real-life shooting conditions with our dear friend Gab Altonaga, who is also a vlogger and a dance videographer. So again, let's go and see and do this unboxing here right now. Okay, here you will have the EOS M50 Mark II logo, the image here, and also at the back you will see different connectivity from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and PicBridge. Also, always make sure that when you buy your EOS M50 Mark II, you check this sticker here so that you can, number one, register and extend your warranty up to 3 years via Canon RedUp, and also this makes sure that your unit is being bought from a certified dealer of Canon. Okay, so let's go with the actual unboxing. Comes with this, which is the image.canon guide, so you can download it through Android and iPhone, so you can save your photos through Google Photos, Google Drive, Adobe Creative Cloud. So that's how it looks, really nice. So you also have your user guide, so make sure that you always read this one so that you don't miss anything and maximize the capabilities of your EOS M50 Mark II. So let's go move the box here. So what's inside the box would be the following. So it comes with the power cord. So power cord. You'll see this one, really nice also. So you have the strap, comes with EOS, and of course Canon logo. Then you have your kit lens. So it comes already with your M50 Mark II. Then you also have your batteries here, which is the LPE12 OTH battery. And of course, main star of the show, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. And that is the unboxing of the EOS M50 Mark II only here in Henry's Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. for us to really appreciate how this powerful, stylish, and sleek device will perform in real-life content creation and blogging condition environment, we have our friend Gab Altonaga, who will do some daily vlogs and also dance video recording with this powerful device. So again, Gab, take it away.
Hi guys, Gab Altonaga here. Welcome to my vlog. So, ngayon gagamitin natin yung bagong-bagong camera ng Canon is the M50 Mark II. So, may special guest pala ako ngayon. Kasama ko si Luis and si CM. So, ready na ba kayo sa dance videos, bro?
Let's go. Ready.
Peace out. So guys, tapos na kami mag-shoot ng dance video. Sobrang ganda ng Canon M50 Mark II. So, thank you din ako kay Luis and CM. Sobrang, kamusta yung shoot, bro?
Okay na okay. Sobrang smooth tsaka quality.
Ayan guys, sobrang ganda ng M50 Mark II. So, sobrang gaan niya. And nakapag-shoot din kami ng vertical. So, ayan. So, hope to see you guys soon. Peace out.
Shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. Sing 1, 2, 3, 4. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Canon, delighting you always.